Really nice. This is my property here. Figure put a no trespassing. There's the pin. And that pin goes just like that about. See that trailer back there? Goes right behind it. So if you got the idea here, here's the property line. Think. So I got this nice berm here going. Right on the property line. It's clean fill. Just regular dirt with wood chips over the top. And we just gotta keep, just like this, keep chugging. Just like that. Keep a go, keep a go. Right down. So this pile of concrete's gotta go. Right that way. This tree came down, so we'll zap that up. And I'm gonna clean all this stuff out of here. This, I'm just gonna push it right into that low spot and basically make the neighbor, this is the neighbor, make their driveway so they can come in here. Right, look how nice and clean. They can come right in, go right through here, and go right into that area. And then leave me alone. And then we'll just slowly work on my pile of concrete over the years. It's 12 years now worth. That's looking good. There's the property line right here. I'm standing basically right on it. Gonna make a nice little berm here. Nice clean filled dirt, clean, with some wood chips over the top. Okay, let's give you guys a little update here. You see these dumpsters haven't really moved too much. There's that little pile of dirt, property line. My little skid steer here, the little 257's been working its tail off. She needs to be greased. Looks like I had a visitor here. Cody must have stopped by. It's pretty cool. It just started raining. Yeah, I gotta work on that thing. I want to get rid of that and that boat that's gonna go. All right. Found a tree in the pile. Dug all this today. Probably moved over 100 yards. All this debris. This is a big pile of dirt. This thing's huge. Now what I've been doing is you scoop here on the property line, grab it, dump, 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 and filling all this in. It was kind of low. You can't really tell, but it's been low. Got some trees. That thing's down, and the skid steer's now down. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll rent something, try something out. But I do want to knock about, I got about maybe 50 more yards of dirt here to move. I want to come right through here, just like that. Okay. What the heck? That don't look good either, right? Watch. We're in. Yeah! Wait! One more! Dude, you can, I think you can do it. I think you can do it. Oh, and I got rid of that red truck that was sitting right there. My neighbor bought it. Yay.